Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload documents to a SharePoint Online document library. So in this example I have a SharePoint Online site, and the first thing that you want to do is click on the Documents link on the navigation bar at the top of your screen. This is going to bring you into a document library. And then the next thing that you want to do is you can click on the Upload button, and this is going to allow you to choose to upload one or more files or to upload folders. In this case, I'm going to click on Files, and this is going to bring up the File Explorer, and then you want to navigate to the file that you want to upload. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on my expense tracker, and the file is now uploaded. So you can upload files by using the Upload button, and you can upload an individual or multiple files, and you can also upload folders. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly demo that for you. So you want to click on Folder, and again, this is going to open the File Explorer. You want to select the folder that you want to upload, and you want to go ahead and click on Upload. And it's just prompting me that it is going to upload the entire folder and all of the files inside of that folder. You want to go ahead and click Upload. And you can see here that this folder was uploaded, and if I click into it, you can see the invoices inside. Okay. You can also upload files from the File Explorer by just dragging them from your File Explorer onto your SharePoint document library. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this finance report for year end and just drag it to my library, and you can see that the file has been uploaded there. So that's it for this tutorial. That's a quick overview showing you how to upload files to a SharePoint Online document library. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please drop a comment below. Please like it. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest SharePoint Online tutorials, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Take care.